In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know pips in TradingView. By the end, you'll be able to quickly measure the distance between your entry and your take profit or exit price, so you can plan trades with clarity and confidence. First, we're going to activate the Measure tool, which is the fastest way to see distance on your chart. You have two simple options. If you like keyboard shortcuts, press and hold the Shift key and click anywhere on the chart. That instantly brings up the temporary ruler so you can measure right away. If you prefer using the interface, look to your toolbar and select the ruler or measure tool manually. This keeps the tool active so you can take multiple measurements without holding a key. With the tool ready, it's time to measure your trade idea. Click once exactly at your intended entry price. Take a moment to line up your cursor with the price scale on the right to be as precise as possible. Then, without releasing, drag your cursor to your target. This could be your take profit level or your planned exit price. You can drag upward for long ideas or downward for short ideas. The tool works the same in either direction. As you drag, a small pop-up will follow your cursor. This is your quick readout. It shows you the distance between your entry and your exit. If you're looking at a Forex pair, that distance will typically display in pips. For other markets, it may show in price units or points, depending on the instrument you're charting. Either way, the number tells you exactly how far the move is from where you started to where you released. For best results, zoom in slightly before you click so your entry and target levels are easy to pinpoint. Aim to place your starting click right at the price you plan to use, and don't worry if you need to adjust. Just release and start again until it lines up perfectly. If you're using the Shift shortcut, keep holding Shift while you drag. If you selected the tool from the toolbar, you can keep measuring as many times as you need. When you release the mouse at your target level, the measurement is set, and you've got your distance. That's all there is to it. Activate the Measure tool. Click at your entry, drag to your take profit or exit, and read the distance in pips or price units from the pop-up. Use this whenever you're planning trades, so you can size positions, assess risk, and set targets with confidence.